What is up, Rito Tribe? It's time for episode number 15, and today we're actually going to be diving inside CustomCat, which is what we'll be using for launching our print on demand products. Meow. So what is CustomCat? So it's basically a Shopify app and a fulfillment service which prints your product, ships it out to customers. Everything is handled. All you have to do is install the app and upload your design so that you can start selling those products. That's it. So there are several other companies like for t-shirt fulfillment and print on demand fulfillment. You've got companies like Rocketees, you've got Printful and T-Launch and all these other companies. Now, I recommend CustomCat because one, I've seen it recommended everywhere. But the major reasons why it's recommended is because it's much more inexpensive than all the other providers out there. It's easy to use. They've got a simple app that you can use on your Shopify store. And the third reason is the quality is not as good as Printful, at least from the reviews that I've heard. But for starting off your print on demand products, to keep that sort of margins high so that you can price at a good, you can keep a good profit margin so that you can find your winning designs faster, CustomCat is an excellent way to go for it. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to launch your own custom t-shirt that you can start selling. We won't be getting into Facebook ads, that is for the next video, but this one will take you through the entire process of using CustomCat so that you can upload your design, publish your product, and be live and start selling that. All right, so it's going to be an exciting one. I am really excited to share all of this with you, and I know that you guys have been waiting for this. So yeah, let's dive inside my computer. Let's go in and do this.
All right, so if you're ready to get started with print on demand, I want to show you some ways in which you can get your t-shirts designed. Now, of course, if you are a designer, if you do know how to use Photoshop, then you can get your designs designed yourself. But if you prefer to outsource the work, or if you prefer to let others do the work for you, there are some options for you. The first is designercash.com, and they charge $37 for a single design or $167 for 5 designs. Now you have to give them all the requirements, so you basically let them know after you've done your t-shirt research process. Once you have finalized like a few designs you want to start off with, you basically give them the instructions, you give them the samples, the kind of things you want, and then you basically tell them to customize that and make it unique. So this is something that is highly recommended in multiple places. Now you can check out the how it works section, and it is going to be where you can see the video where how you can check it out how they actually work and build out the designs for you. All right, pretty good stuff here. The second way to get t-shirts designed is to just go to fiverr.com, just search for t-shirt design. You will be able to see a lot of people who create t-shirt designs here. You can check out the ratings, and they start from like $5. All right, and as you can see, again, for them also you'll need to give them some instructions, and then they'll do the work for you. There are some, like with every Fiverr seller, when you purchase a gig from them, you can there's other kind of options here for which you have to pay extra. The basic one is like 3 days delivery and unlimited revisions, and this is what you get. But if you need additional design concepts, front and back designs, design mock-up, extra fast delivery, so you have all these other options which are charged extra. Now this is the basic one, is allowed for commercial use, so this is good to go for most people though. So like this, you can find a lot of sellers here. Just browse through, look at the samples that they've done, and find out somebody who you want to work with. All right, so the next way to find to get your t-shirts designed is to go to upwork.com, and then here what you can do is basically post a job post. Just post like you're looking for a t-shirt designer, and then just get it done. Now I'll show you inside the freelancers and find freelancers tab inside Upwork. You can I actually search for t-shirt design. The earned amount needs to be 10k plus, a job success 90% and up, hourly rate $10 and below. And as you can see, I found out all of these people who are involved in graphic and many of them in t-shirt design as well. So this is also one way. Once you have posted your job, you basically invite the people who you like to work with to the job, interview them, and then hire them. And because you pay them hourly, you can get away with pretty inexpensive designs as well. There is another place I want to talk about, which is ecom library, and here you can actually become a member. And the way it works is, if you're struggling to get design ideas, you can actually buy out one design from them, and as soon as you buy it, it costs like 20 bucks. As soon as you buy it, it gets removed from their library and nobody else can use it. All right, the best part is, once you buy a design, no one else will be able to ever buy it. You get full rights and the design will be automatically removed from ecom library. So they keep designing new stuff here, and then you can, once you log in, you can check out all of their products, and then you'll be able to look at all of the things here and buy designs as many as you want. All right, now I want to take you through, once you've got your t-shirt design, the other process is to basically get it listed on your site and start selling it. In order to do that, we need to get inside CustomCat. Now CustomCat, I've mentioned a link below in this video as well in the description, how you can get started with CustomCat. Now this is the sales page kind of basically, but they have like a 14-day free trial along with a monthly or an annual option. The monthly option I would recommend for, it's 30 bucks a month, and you can easily pay that off within a couple of t-shirt sales. All right, so you can install it on up to 3 stores. Now here's what I can show you right now. I'm logged into the members area of CustomCat because I've already purchased it and installed it on my store. But basically what happens is, once you log in, once you make the purchase, once you start your free trial, then you have to check mark on I agree to all terms and conditions. Enter your PayPal email address, because that's what they'll be using for charging for your designs and for your subscription fee. So whenever an order comes through, they automatically pick it up from Shopify, and then they start fulfilling it. They print it, goes to printing and all these other things. So you enter your PayPal email, you enter your store name. All right, this is .myshopify.com. You click on get started. It will take you to your store. You install the app. Once you do, it's going to come up here inside your apps section. So I'm actually going to go inside CustomCat right now and show you. As you can see, yeah, like a couple of days ago, this sale just automatically came through. They automatically pick up orders from our orders list and start fulfilling it. All right, so it's a completely automated process. All you have to do is basically upload a design. Now inside the design library is where you can see all the designs that you have uploaded. All right, you can upload many designs, as many as you want, and all you have to do is just click on upload image. Now I found out a t-shirt design from Venello which I liked. It was in the dogs niche. So this is dogs because people suck. So this is the design. Now you won't be able to see this because it's light gray kind of a text, but it's only because it'll come up on a black t-shirt. All right, so in a black t-shirt, it's pretty legible. So this is the design I'm going to upload. So I'm going to click on upload image, and then I am going to add designs. All right, so we can assign products to them, or we can just leave it all, and then we click on continue. All right, so it has come up here. Now we can click on, we can either view the product catalog that comes up here for CustomCat. Here we can check out all the kind of products that they have and the pricing that it's going to cost you. So for example, I would recommend you get started with just like normal t-shirts. The Gildan Ultra Cotton t-shirt, which is $6. You can sort by price low to high. So this is just the base cost, and this is basically unisex. This can be worn by ladies as well. And this costs you $6 plus about, I believe it's $4 or $5 shipping, something like that. So even then you can sell your t-shirts for 22, 23, up to upwards of 25, 27 as well, if you include free shipping. If you want to keep like shipping extra for your customers, then charge like $22.95 and then $5 shipping or something like that, and then you have a nice healthy $15 to $18 profit margin on each sale. So this is the t-shirt I recommend you start off with. They of course have a lot of options to choose from, and this is just t-shirts here. You have tank tops, sweatshirts, polos, jackets, pants, all of these other things for women, kids. You also have like drinkware, phone cases, wallets, home decor, shoes, ornaments, lot of different stuff here. You can browse through all the designs. And by the way, once you upload a design into your design library, you can use it on any of these if the resolutions are all fine. Now you won't have to worry about like design resolutions if you're getting it designed, but if you aren't getting it designed, if you're designing it yourself, definitely check out the FAQs of CustomCat so that you can look at the minimum design requirements. Now let's click on add product here, and then let me take you through the process of adding the product. So click on direct to garment. We do front only. I just recommend start off simple, start off with just front only, and then you can move on to others as well. We're going to click on this one, the ultra cotton t-shirt. Now we're going to call this, the product title is going to be dogs because people suck. All right. We want to sell it for, let's say $24.95 because we include shipping in our pricing. All right. And then we'll choose the colors. We'll choose black. All right. Let's choose black. Let's choose a dark blue. And I think that should be, let's choose a purple as well. All right, so we have 3 t-shirt designs chosen. We choose all sizes. All of this is fine, and they also link out to a size chart, so that's good. And then we are pretty much done. We can actually assign it to a collection as well, and if we want to, but let's just keep it for now. It's fine. Let's click on save product. Let's click on next. Let's click on continue without saving. We can actually save it as an export template. Now I'll click on this one, the design that we just uploaded. All right. And we are going to click on next. All right. Now on this page, you can actually set up your position as well. So if you click on this, now as you can see, this comes up way at the top here, and we want it to be a little bit smaller as well. So I'm going to reduce the size of this. Now in order to customize your design, just click on customize, and then you'll be able to make this a bit smaller. Something like this looks fine. We can actually drag this a bit to the bottom here. So something like this looks really good, and we can actually make this slightly bit smaller as well. All right. So now that this is all legible and it looks really good on the t-shirt here, we are basically good to go. We can actually turn this down a bit more. All right, this looks good. All right, now we can preview in all the different colors here, as you can see. All right, now all of these look pretty good. Now we click on save positioning, and now that we are done, we click on export, and basically what's going to happen is it's going to create the product on our store, and we are ready to start advertising. It's going to generate the product images and all of these things. So we can actually check out the product inside. Let's go to Common Panda. All right, so if we search for dogs, now here we go. Oops. All right, so you see dogs because people suck, $24.95. The color people can select the size, they can add the quantity, and it has automatically generated the t-shirt designs for us, all ready to go. We can literally just copy this image and then start advertising it on Facebook, and it has also like uploaded the description. If we wanted to add it to a collection, that would also be possible, but we can literally just go to our products list on Common Panda right here by going to products and then edit this product from the product description page as well. And whatever we do, it'll all come up right here. Dogs because people suck, as you can see right here. All of this is normally editable like you would inside the while drop shipping. So basically it's pretty similar to what you have with drop shipping, and you can actually set pricing for all the other variants as well based off of the sizes, because with the base cost, the size increases. With the size of the t-shirt, the base cost also increases slightly, so you can increase that as well. And so that's basically it, and I highly recommend you check out CustomCat. The link is in the description. Get started with your t-shirt design process. Now if you're waiting to get started just with your Shopify store, and if you want that like kickstart kind of a thing, I mentioned a link in the description below where I walk you through my 6-step webinar, and there you can actually look inside and find out how we build out and scaled out our Shopify store Common Panda as well. The entire 6-step system is revealed on this webinar, plus an opportunity to work with me as well. All right, so awesome. I hope to see you on that webinar right there, and that is it.
All right, folks, get started with CustomCat. I know you love what I just showed you. The link is right below this video. Start off, they've got a monthly payment plan, but it's pretty inexpensive. You can sell a couple of t-shirts and it'll pay off for the entire monthly fee of CustomCat. I want to urge you guys to go creative, go wild, make it happen, launch your own designs. This is your own unique products that you're releasing. So, like, the world is your oyster. Now, in episode number 16, we are going to talk about Facebook ads and how you can start selling these print-on-demand products with Facebook ads, the kind of ads to use, the copy to use, how to launch your ads. Everything will be covered in episode number 16. So I hope you're excited for this. If you found value in this, hit me that a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe to the Flying Start online channel if not already. We do things here differently. We are open and transparent with you guys. We show you the complete businesses as we build them up. All the best with this, and I'll talk to you soon.